Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this 24-inch knotless soft locks. I will be showing you guys all the products that I use and my step-by-step process on how I achieved this beautiful look. If you guys would like to see the ending results, please stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys two different ways on how I start my locks. But first, you want to start by sectioning off and parting your hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I part my hair, and also I'm going to be doing square parting, but I'm not going to be braiding the braid all the way down. Both the soft locks and the passion twist hair that I will be using to wrap the locks are from Amazon. I will be linking all the information and the products in the description. With the passion twist hair, I cut it in half because it was already extremely long, but also what you want to do is unravel it as much as you can, get all the kinks and tangles out before you start to wrap your lock. So the reason why I mentioned that I wasn't going to be braiding the plait all the way down is because I'm going to be adding the passion twist hair to the end of the plait, and from there you will see how I add the soft lock, then start to wrap it. after I finish with the braid, I'm then going to add the lock to the braid, then going to pull the passion twist hair all the way up to the root of the plait while holding it in place, and start twisting with the other hand, wrapping the hair around the lock in the downward motion until you run out of the passion twist hair. So I ended up running out of hair, so all you have to do is get another piece of passion twist hair. I folded the hair in half, put it a little above where the other passion twist hair ended, and I wrapped it around a couple of times. Then I started working in a downward motion until I ran out of hair again. I end up going through my hair and just adding the passion twist hair and locks to the rest of the plaits, you know, to make the process go a lot faster. So now all I have to do is just wrap the hair around the locks, except on one that I left out to show you. So this second method, I'll be showing you. I just like this one a lot better because it makes the lock a lot more seamless. So on this method, I just plaited the hair down just enough to be able to add the lock to one piece of the plait. Then I braided it together as you see me doing now. Then I will go back and take the passion twist hair and just start wrapping, and you will see how seamless the lock look. Also, when you do this method, it makes the lock a lot longer, so basically it extends the lock. So you just want to be careful and just pay attention to the length when you're doing it this way and adding the lock this far down. But it was fine for me because if you wear braids, you would know, or do your own braids, you would know that the front of your hair, sometimes the braided hair can get shorter. So I like all my braids or twists or whatever the same length. So when I flip my front of my hair to the back, it will all be the same length, if that makes sense. So I end up going through and I noticed that I missed one on doing it the second method. So now you get to see me doing it one more time. So the takedown process is not as bad as it may look, you know, depending on how you're looking at it. As far as the two methods that I showed you, I would just say no matter what, just take your time because you do not want to cut your hair. Hope my two methods was helpful in some type of way. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, I will see you in my next video.